Here's everything you need to know about building a shed foundation: concrete slab versus gravel pad. Here's what you need to know. Don't let your shed sink. We compare the cost and longevity of the two best foundation options. Quick answer: when comparing concrete options, consider lifespan, maintenance requirements, and total cost over 20 to 30 years, not just upfront price. Moving on to choosing the right shed foundation: concrete versus gravel. Your shed foundation is the most important part of the entire structure. Get it wrong, and your shed will sink, tilt, and eventually fail. Get it right, and your shed will last decades. This guide compares the two best foundation options, concrete slab and gravel pad, so you can make the right choice for your situation. Next up, why foundation choice matters. A proper foundation prevents settling and sinking, keeps the shed level and stable, protects the floor from moisture and rot, provides a solid base for heavy items. Let's talk about option 1, concrete slab foundation. A concrete slab is the premium choice, permanent, level, and maintenance-free. Here's the deal with advantages. Permanent, never needs replacement or maintenance. Level, perfectly flat surface that stays level forever. Moisture protection, keeps floor dry, preventing rot. Heavy load capacity, can support any weight. Pest resistant, no gaps for rodents or insects. Now let's look at disadvantages. Higher cost, example cost, approximately 6-10 plus per square foot installed. More complex, requires forms, reinforcement, and proper finishing. Permanent, can't easily move the shed later. Requires permits, most areas require permits for concrete slabs. Moving on to when to choose concrete. Permanent shed location. Heavy items, workbenches, tools, equipment. Moisture sensitive storage. You want the best, longest lasting solution. Budget allows for premium option. Next up, option 2, gravel pad foundation. A gravel pad is the budget-friendly option that works well for many situations. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.